Hello everybody and welcome to wowonlinetutor.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how to log in as a user. We are at the Wow Online Tutor homepage and this is the welcome. So first of all, are you a parent, learner or tutor? I am a learner, so I'm going to be clicking right here. And then let's proceed to the next page. Now on this page, we're going to be sharing our personal information. My name is Sakura, and that's what I'll type in. Please include your first name and last name. Next, we go on to our email. Please make sure you fill in only one email address. And that is also the same for our phone number. We only need one phone number. Okay, now here in this box, we need to fill in why we're here. What do you need help with? I need help with my SAT exam, which is coming up very soon. So that's what I'll type in. I need help with my SAT exam. Next. Okay, enter the subjects you need help with. I need help specifically with my English. Let's type that in. Now, do you speak English fluently? Or is it your second language? If the English is your foreign language, then please click the first tab. If not, if you're a native speaker like me, then you can click this one. Okay, now SATs is an exam, so this is the exams icon is what I will be clicking. If you have any other problems, such as your homework, you can also click on that. Study, or reports, you have access to click on multiple. But I'm just here because I need help with my exams. Now, our final step is tutors. Here are the top 3 recommended tutors: Miss Elma, Miss Judith, and Miss Nita. I'm going to click on sign up, and this takes me to the sign up as a student. I hope this video was clear and I hope you learned something. Thank you.